Hello, folks. This is Mr. Coin. In the striking image, we see a man is deeply engrossed in watching the world's events unfold, eating popcorn as if watching a thrilling movie. But what he sees is the big shift happening in our world. Our financial system is moving from the old analog ways to the digital. Right now, we're entering a time where traditional money, like the dollar, is becoming less common and replaced by the digital money controlled by the governments, known as the central bank digital currency. There's been a lot of talk that cryptocurrency was just a bubble, maybe even a scam, and now governments are introducing their own versions. This change is huge and could lead to a world where there are only rich and poor people with no middle class. In this new scenario, we're told we will own nothing and be happy, a phase that sounds simple but actually means losing ownership and control. Banks and the governments are guiding everyone towards these digital assets while they gather more wealth and power. As smaller banks close and become a thing of the past, big banks are turning into digital banks, and places where you trade cryptocurrencies are becoming more like traditional banks. This isn't just a change, it's a complete makeover of how we use and think about money. This image is more than just showing a man watching a show, it reflects our reality, pushing us to get ready and adapt. As we move into this new digital world, the message is clear: get involved, learn about these changes, and make sure you're prepared. Take control of your future. Don't just watch it pass by. This is Mr. Coin.